Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for coming back to my channel. This is an impromptu, very quick video. My boy Alonzo came out with his new rubs and I want to try it out. So today we're gonna put it to a challenge. We're gonna do Sriracha Dirty Bird from Cosmo. Highly respected rub. And we're gonna put his Hot-Spitality up against it. Hey, let's see how it compares. All right, on this first batch, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with a little bit of mustard. This way I can get a little binder on here. Like I said, this is gonna be a quick cook. You can get it all rubbed up. You won't taste this mustard. It just helps the rub really stick. So let's get them all on the same side. We're gonna start off with the Sriracha Dirty Bird Hot. Flip over. And if you never used the mustard trick, you're welcome. We're back. Put these with some mustard. All over. I'm excited about this one, guys. Lonzo always does some comparison videos. So what a way to bring in his rub other than doing a comparison. You can already tell it comes out a little bit more fine. Got some sugars in here, so can't wait to taste it. See how it is. All right, we got Cosmos on the bottom. Right here, as you can see, it's got a little more pepper look to it. And we got Lonzo's Gulf Coast Smoke up here. And it's a little more orange, and I found out after looking at the ingredients that it has orange peel granules in it. So got our smoker running a little over 300 right now. We're gonna run it around 325 for about 45 minutes. All right, finally got these off the smoker, and it's my favorite time to eat. How did we get here? Remember, we went ahead and rubbed these down with some mustard, seasoned them both with the different rubs. We set the Pit Boss Pro Series to 325 degrees. We smoked them. These took a little over 45 minutes. They took about an hour to get, we brought them up to 180 internal. That's why I like to do wings. That way the skin's a little bit more a little bit more crisp to it so it's not soggy. I don't like soggy skin. So let's try them out. On the left, we got the Sriracha Dirty Bird. On the right, we got Gulf Coast Hot-Spitality. So let's go with the Sriracha. Since that's an Oklahoma Cosmos rub, why not try that? Good skin. I'm a flat guy. Comment below if you're a flat guy or if you're a drum guy. I prefer the flat. The drum is, most people eat drum like chicken nuggets, so I don't know. You tell me. That's a good wing. It's a damn good wing. I don't know if it's the rub or me. That's good. All right, let's try Hot-Spitality. My boy Alonzo, I'm happy for you. I'm hoping this is really good. That's nice. Look at that bone. Comes right out. That's a good rub. I'm picking up the sweet notes. This has brown sugar and orange peel granules. I don't know what's in this one. Sriracha, I assume. I say for this competition, you can't go wrong with either one of these. I actually now want to try this on salmon. I think this would be fantastic on seafood, and it was fantastic on wings as well. I'm gonna have to go with the Sriracha. It has a little bit more savory note to it that I prefer, but this is really good. It's really good. I suggest you look him up, Gulf Coast Smoke. Check him out. His YouTube channel is fantastic. If you like what you see here, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification button, hit a like, comment below. Tell me what you would like to see me smoke. Peace out.